We're at the top of Jack's Rake on the exit slabs, and these rocks are really, really grippy, and you can see they're made of lots and lots of little fragments of volcanic rock. We're in a caldera. This is all Caledonian in age, so it's a little bit like in Glencoe. This was a big volcanic centre, the Lake District, and these were major eruptions. And in fact, if you look closely, you can see that some of these blocks, like this one, are made up of smaller fragments within the blocks. So there's been multiple major eruptions, which has basically taken away the whole of the volcano. It's taken all of the edifice away, put it up into the air in ash and block, and it's fallen down as these big block fall deposits. It's really, really nice. Great rock to climb on. Very, very grippy, because you've got all of the different blocks which weather way differently. Go to OneMinuteGeology.net for more videos near you and for information about guided geological days out.